I'm Sharon and I'm here today to talk to you about our Air Comfort chair bed. This is a caregiver assisted chair bed that provides really optimal pressure care for those clients who sit in the chair for a long period of time or have pressure care concerns. It does this by having air bladders right the way throughout the chair, so you have support throughout the chair without requiring additional cushioning. This chair also has a multi-directional stretch fabric which reduces shear and friction. As you can see, this chair has these sides open, which then allows for the caregivers to get that person into a really nice position when they're transferring, say, using a hoist. This can then be moved to get the right positioning for your client. It's easy to use with a hydraulic functioning, and the seat tilt in space moves independently of the backrest, so you can get that person into a really lovely position for both pressure care and comfort. As you can see, it can be moved around really nice and easily. It has the optional additions of a tray table and footrests. So please give us a call today and have a chat about whether this chair will work for your client.